Righto, welcome back to the 40 channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to finish off part 2 of the restoration of the speedo and the cluster, the glove box and the little cigarette cover as well. So we're going to work on that, and hopefully it'll come up quite nicely. It's been a long time since I did part 1, so we're about time to finish it off. I've got a bit to learn about this 40. Righto, so this one here actually works quite well, but looks terrible. This one has a nice face on it, but it doesn't work properly where this one does. So I'm going to swap the faces over, and we're going to paint the needles. I'm going to use some lure-based paint. That'll paint all the needles up nicely and cleanly. Righto, so the theory is I got the glass out, it should go back in. So we'll give it a go. We'll see how we go. Just using the screwdriver, I'm just prying that rubber back. It's quite stretchy, so it works quite well. You can push the rubber back into one position, stretch it in and get the screwdriver under it and pop it back in. Alright, sensational. 3 bits of glass, nice and clean. High beam light. Put that into there. Flip it over. Now that little tiny clip, we use some circlip pliers. Put them in there. Perfect. All I need to do now is glue that little bit of rubber. I just use some of this power grip that you get from Tool King. Just give it a nice press on there. You can feel it sort of clipping into place over that light. We'll just let that sit and dry. That's come up really nicely. That's come up absolute mint. Super happy with that. Righto, so this is what the one that we pulled off. Pretty buggered. You can hardly read it. It's pretty messed up. So look at that. Shiny new replacement. Looks sweet as. Restored my little pocket bit, so I've polished that up. I've scratched all that out with a little scribe, and then I've used a paint and slowly painted very carefully inside that, and we've restored and painted all this too, and we zinc plated that. There we go, brand new, fully restored glove box. Pretty happy with that. Righto, same as the ashtray. Polished all this up as well. Alright, that looks pretty mint as well. Righto, there we have it. We've finished off all our bling. Speedometer, glove box, ashtray, and grab rail. Righto, that's it. Part 2's done. We've done the cluster. Super happy with that. Yeah, it was a long time coming. We finally got there. We finally finished it. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is this is the paint I used. It came up really awesome. Super tough little stuff. Now, obviously, I only needed a tiny little bit of it. So, if you happen to be doing or are going to do a little restoration yourself on one of these clusters on a FJ40 or any other Toyota related 40 series, I'm going to send this to you. So all you need to do is jump over to my Instagram page. Yep, I've advanced. I've got an Instagram page now. Like the video, like the photo, and make a little comment, and I'll get in contact with you next video, and we'll send this out to you. And then hopefully it'll just keep going through to everyone that's doing the restorations. Bit of a pass it on. Righto, thanks guys. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.